my last month's transaction on Class Plus platform, which is of around 9 lakhs. Among all the young ultra rich people you see online, this is a common thing that all of them are content creators. That is, they have a YouTube channel, but there is a big misconception among all of you that they have more money because they have more subscribers on YouTube. They get more views in their videos, which is absolutely wrong. That's why I myself have been a content creator since 2019, and from less than 50,000 subscribers, I earn more than 1 crore annually from my YouTube alone. In this video, I will explain to you how to start making more than 10 lakhs per month with less than 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. Second, 1 crore blueprint, which I myself have used on my YouTube channel to make life-changing money from it. Third, how to implement these strategies according to your scenario. See, if we look at the fundamental level, there's only two methods to make money on YouTube. One is views-based revenue and one is value-based revenue. Look, in views-based revenue, you can make money on YouTube through AdSense, sponsorships, and band deals and affiliate marketing. But the problem is that beginners who want to create content look at big YouTubers who are also getting millions of views, and that too with views-based revenue from YouTube, and get stuck in a rat race trying to go viral in every single upload the video, because to be honest, you need at least 50,000 views. But value-based revenue is different. Here we do not mentor much, because here you will make more videos on a specific topic or business, and you will give immense value to a specific group of audience who will like you and your videos so much they will end up buying your digital product, which can be a course, can be online coaching, can be agency services, or even software tools. And this method, which is value-based revenue, from this, if you want to make a life-changing money, you only need videos at 1,000 to 5,000 views. If you see my e-commerce YouTube, I get 2,000 views per video on an average, but I make only e-commerce related problem-solving videos, and I have offered 3 types of products to my audience according to their resources, which helps me earn more than 1 crore annually. Look, now you have come to know fastest way to make money on YouTube, that is value-based revenue. But to execute it, you have to understand the business model, and in this business model, 3 main pillars exist. One is produce, second is position, and third is profit. Before understanding these pillars, you have to go to 1 crore blueprint, which I myself use to earn thousands of leads and crores together on YouTube for my e-commerce. Here, but you can see my blueprint for one of my digital products. Here I have 3 major platforms, out of which the major platforms are YouTube and Upcurse, where I will upload long form highly educational content. My aim will not be to go viral and get maximum views. That will not be the intention. The main reason for that video will be that I provide immense value to a specific group of people. Here you can see that on e-commerce, those who want to do commerce and are already doing it to solve their related problems, I upload these videos on that particular channel. Then for that again, we as the audience will have to know their problems, their pain points. We will have to know them. By knowing that way, it will be easy to create guidelines. So if there are 2 more platforms and a set of shorts from YouTube, then we will collect leads from these 3 platforms. And here I am one of mine. I'm going to extend here in the simple funnel. Here you can see, so basically we will provide a free ebook to our audience which provides education again on e-commerce. And to get that particular ebook, we will redirect them to a landing page, and there we will collect their details like name, mobile number, email ID, and then go and follow them. So here we can see an email follow-up. We'll follow them through an email follow-up, email sequence like 1 day after delivery, 2 days, 3rd day. So in that way, we will share as much information and knowledge as possible with them. First and second is through voice call, and third is through WhatsApp messaging. And out of that, we divide the audiences according to their resources, according to their knowledge. If they are complete beginners, then let's tell you how to actually promote our digital product. Ultimately, what we need to do to decide what we can do at our time is whether we can provide value to them in their business or in their major income goals. In that way, we will provide them our digital product. It can be courses, mentorship programs, and if they are an existing seller, e-commerce seller, and they need some services, then we also have agency services, which is this is a digital product only. So this is my basic blueprint from which I have earned cross together through my YouTube, so this blueprint, and along with it many more resources which I use on the YouTube channel of my personal brand. You will get them if you click on the first link in my description. Now I tell you, I will expand the pillars of this business model into 3, which are produce, position and profit. So first of all, you have to create high quality videos, but if you want to give more information about yourself, then make your video and give it to your social media. This does not mean that you do not need any videos. Of course, you have to focus on the scripting terminal, but your main goal is to provide more value to your audience. That's why you have to ask yourself 3 questions. Who is my target audience? What are their problems? How can I solve their problems? But for example, if you watch my ecom Gyan YouTube, my ideal audience there is a commerce related audience, meaning for those who want to start e-commerce business, Amazon FBA business, and have already started already, then I will usually make these videos which will be related to e-commerce and Amazon FBA, that is due to which they are facing physical problems and its solution. I will explain them through videos of product research, how to import product suppliers, and how to optimize advertisement. So on top of these related specific tutorials and strategies, I will make videos. Let me explain with my experience, because of course I am also an e-commerce entrepreneur and I am not trying to make my video go viral or get maximum views from that YouTube channel. Rather, my effort will be to provide as much value as possible to my audience. Then the second pillar is position. So people always look for credibility at the time of purchasing. Consistently uploading high quality videos on YouTube is credibility, but you do not have to think that you have to be an expert to upload those videos. Rather, you have to be a few steps ahead of your audience and you have to share your experiences through YouTube, through which you can provide more value to your audience, which I had explained in the blueprint of my 1 crore. And in the same way, you offer digital print to your audience, which is our third pillar, profit. So this is very cruel. See if you get a life-changing results product. If you want to do something for you and your audience, then you have to do a high ticket promotion which will cost 20,000 rupees. And here you can ask me, hey Ron bhai, I don't have any promotion which I can sell at such a high price. Look, if you are watching this video of mine, you will definitely have some skills or interested niche, whether it is related to business like productivity, meditation, gardening, etc. Initially, you can provide one-on-one coaching, and as your expertise increases, you can offer a high ticket product, because with the high ticket product, only a few clients will be enough to generate life-changing minds. But at the same time, you can give more time and energy to your clients to get results. Look at creating a good digital product. For this, you have to ask 2 questions. What are my clients' major problem? How my digital product or service can solve it? For example, the main audience of my new channel, their actual main problem is how to build a strong personal brand with YouTube, and my solution is one-on-one coaching and a custom strategy according to their current stage. They can be complete beginners or existing YouTubers, and they have to monetize their audience. And I have used the same strategy on ecom Gyan's YouTube also, where I do not need thousands of enrollments. So if we put all this together, it looks something like this. Upload high quality video per week, targeting 10,000 views. But by aiming at 40,000 views a week and using those videos, you sell your email list to your audience. And if we assume 5% who actually sign up to the email list, that is 2,000 new people every month. And by sending them emails every week and occasionally offering your digital product, if we even go for 0.5% conversion, that is 200 enrollments to even conversion, your product will cost 5,000 rupees. You will make 10 lakhs per month. You can see my last month's transaction on Class Plus platform, which is a well-recognized online education hosting platform. And you can also see my average order value is around 10,000. And apart from this, I also have agency services, soft tools, which help my audience. I promote, solve their pain points. You can ask me, how much time will it take for you to build a proper personal brand? If you major in it, then in the first scenario, you may have YouTube, but you do not have any digital care product, especially high ticket digital product. Then it takes more time for you to build a high ticket digital product. Of course, you have to know your audience first, and especially their main problem. And from that, you have to create a high ticket digital product that solves that problem, which will ideally have to be done using tech. And then what happens is that you have a digital product, but you do not have YouTube. This can be a useful agency services which create a website or you develop it. So they know the power of YouTube traffic, and they basically have to offer their services on YouTube. They have to offer their product to their ideal audience. So if you have a summary in it, then it makes you feel like a creative. So again, you have to create high quality informative tutorial videos every week catered to your ideal audience. What is your packaging? It depends on that. And in worst scenario, you don't even have the product. Of course, it will take your time, somewhere around 6 to 12 months. To build a personal brand is not a get rich scheme. I don't think so. In a few days, you will earn 10 lakhs per month by building. To definitely, it will take time. Again, you can do it quickly by implementing some strategies which I have explained in this video, jahan par aapko rather than making video. So you will target a specific niche audience by solving their problems and giving them knowledgeable videos. So how to actually create a high ticket digital product and services, I have made a video on that too. You can check out all my resources by clicking here, especially the 1 crore blueprint which I had explained in this video is available in my description. So check it out. I will get it in the next video.